how to transfer money on Nationwide app. Now transferring money on or from your Nationwide app is very simple. Now all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Nationwide mobile banking application, and you simply want to make sure to log into your account. Once you log into your account, you want to simply tap the menu in the top right corner, then tap Payments and Transfers. Select Pay or Move Money, then choose the account to take the funds from. Tap on one of your Nationwide accounts, then you can follow the on-screen instructions. Now you can also send money to an existing payee by logging into your account on the app or the internet banking and going to the payment section and entering the amount you wish to send. This way you should be able to transfer money on Nationwide. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.